The operation of the automatic flight control system includes the flight director, yaw damper, autopilot, automatic pitch trim, pitch and roll mistrim annunciations, flight guidance control, and flight mode annunciation functions. The autopilot operates under the following conditions. Indicated airspeed is more than 1.2 VSR stall reference and less than 290 knots indicated airspeed. Cruise altitude between 0 and 27,000 feet. The aircraft is airborne. Engagement of the yaw damper is inhibited when the aircraft roll attitude exceeds plus or minus 45 degrees. Engagement of the autopilot is inhibited when the aircraft roll attitude exceeds plus or minus 45 degrees, or the aircraft pitch attitude exceeds plus or minus 20 degrees. Engaging the autopilot also engages the yaw damper. But the yaw damper may be engaged without the autopilot.